Hi, how you doing? So yeah, in this video I went out for breakfast with my son Axum. Just to let you know that we're in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Bahrain is in the Middle East, in the Gulf. It's part of the GCC. So we've got Abu Dhabi and Dubai like an hour's flight away. Qatar's like half an hour's flight away. Saudi is a 30 or 40-minute drive. There's actually a bridge that connects the island Kingdom of Bahrain to the east coast of Saudi. So just roughly, that gives you an idea of where we are. So we went to a place called Muharraq, the area Muharraq, which is in the north of the country. Bahrain's a very small country, population of just I think 1.8, 1.9 million, something like that. But Muharraq is like the oldest area in Bahrain. You know, Muharraq is kind of, it's really near where the airport is now, but that's where nearly everyone used to live 100 years ago or something like that, you know, and then people sort of spread out, but it's the old part. We went to a place called Rayyan, which is a fabulous little place. I mean, I think it's quite new. I don't think it's been open that long, but for sort of, you know, traditional Arabic, you know, breakfast and stuff, they do lunch. So we just ordered some beef tikka, chicken tikka, some liver, and some fabulous bread, which they make on the premises, also known as kubus, and then a masala tea, or Karak Tea, as it's called in the region. And then we just went for a little walk around some streets and that. There's some kind of like tight little alley streets and stuff like that. And right next door to the place is an open air museum. It's kind of got some old ruins, like 100, 150 years old, where the old pearling the community used to be. Bahrain used to be the place, the number one place in the world for pearls, you know, for collecting pearls. It's got lots of shallow water around it. And that's a fantastic little walk around. And yeah, and so we went to that little museum, which is free, you can walk in. It's got this fabulous kind of modern concrete structure above it to protect the buildings. It's really, really nice. And then we just sort of had a little wander around some sort of, you know, back streets and stuff like that. That was it. It was a fabulous day. The food was amazing, by the way, and this place is really good. I think they're sort of extending it everywhere. It seems like, you know, like I said, I don't think it's a new place, an old place. I think it's quite new, and I think that they're sort of, you know, getting on with it and expanding it here and there. There's a few things you can see happening, but really fabulous food, really great vibe in there. The people serving us, and I think I briefly met the owner or one of the guys anyway. Just really, really, really nice people. And that's it. That's what we've been up to. Just a little catch up of what we're up to in Bahrain. I think that's all I have to say. I'm going to leave you now with no more talking. You've had enough talking from me. Just a little vibe. You can see what we had, what we ate, where we walked. That's it. See you later.